So first things first, head over to your WhatsApp application. And from here, you're going to select the chat that you want to be responding back to using Meta AI. Now, to activate Meta AI into this chat, what you're going to do is you're going to click on at the rate Meta AI from the suggestions, and you're going to ask Meta AI I need you to respond back to his text. Let's just say you're not very good at formulating text messages back again. So what you're going to do is you're going to ask Meta AI to formulate a response back to his text. Now this is the text that he has. Now what Meta AI is going to do is it's going to analyze the text, it's going to read the room, make sure to formulate a response, curating all the and keeping in mind the tone and tonality. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this response, and all I'll have to do is just simply erase the quotation marks and send that in. Now this way I can seamlessly use Meta AI into WhatsApp chats as well when I don't feel like actually typing down a text, or I'm not that confident. Let's just say you're speaking to a business manager and you're not that confident in putting in a good impression, so you can use Meta AI for that purpose. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to YouTube channel.